So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to find your network adapter. Make sure that it's been enabled. If it's disabled, you want to right click on it and then click on enable. It's then going to enable it for you. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. If you see airplane mode turned on right here, you want to turn it off. So turn off airplane mode if you have it on. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.